What's up, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at how to repair a retaining box for a zipper on a jacket. Mine, I washed it, threw it in the dryer, and the little piece that the zip comes down and touches and then this part slips into broke off. Now, you can't buy these things, so you're going to need another donor jacket, and what you're going to do is first take the stitching out, and you're going to use this part. So this part was actually sewn on here, and then all I did was just take a pair of scissors, cut it across, and then what you do is take a lighter and just burn the top of that to singe it so it doesn't keep fraying. Over here on this jacket, if you look, what I did was the teeth I cut back just ever so slightly, and then I just left a little piece there that I can actually hand stitch this new piece over here. So to orientate everything, it's going to look like this. You'll have the stop butted up against the back, and then you'll sew by hand down this little thing which is left from your zipper, and then when you get that tacked, the other part of the coat, it has the zipper here, or piece of the coat, you can tack the rest of that on there to make it more secure. So let me get that sewn up and I'll show you that it works. And this does fit into this, so you got to have the right retaining box in order for this to work. Okay, so we got that all stitched on there. You can see that closed. Everything is now functioning again. Let me see if I can unzip it, show you the back side of it. And there you have it.